Hey friends of Purpose Partners, Brandie Thomas here, and today I want to dive into how to create your own website inside of the Scalability platform and how to make it look professional and really inviting for your specific niche and target audience to be attracted to it. So let's dive in. All right, so today I'm going to show you how to actually create your own website or landing page funnel and make it look professional. One of the conversations that I was having with a client is that she was given feedback that her current website just didn't have that professional look and the pictures were outdated. And so I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that you can use when building out your either landing page or your website. So today I'm going to actually dive into the funnel option. And the websites, they're both on the same. So when you go into Scalability, you will just scroll down the menu until you see sites, and then you can see funnels or website. So let's click in to create a new website. When you click new website, you have the option to build from blank or from templates. So Scalability has given us hundreds of templates. So I encourage you to start there and then edit based on your brand and your needs. So this specific person, she's a florist, and she was like, my flowers look outdated. I don't really have professional photos. So I would recommend for her to come in here, look at the different template options. So there's two right now. And I'm going to go with the pink one. And so we can look through it, get a little preview. They already have some really great pictures in there. And then if you like it, you can go ahead and just hit continue. And it's going to load that whole template for you. And now you can start to edit it, switch out the colors for your brands, maybe switch out the logos for your needs. So we're waiting for that to load now. Okay, so now the website template has loaded. We can see the different pages. So we've got our home page, the contact us, calendar, so they can book time with you, a thank you page, multi-purpose, and then you can do a link in bio page as well. So these are all great. You don't need all of these. If you don't want all of them, you can switch them out to different, but you at least have a template to get you started. So whenever you're ready to build your page, you just click edit, and it's going to open up the template for you to edit that. All right, so once it loads, you're going to see the current template, but then you can see how you can click around and edit every single thing on here. So let's say maybe this peach isn't your color. You can click into this and it opens up this whole section here. So you can scroll down and see, maybe you want an image, maybe you want to have a box. You can click advanced and have different borders. Do you want this to show on your desktop and on your mobile? So you can have, sometimes you need to customize just a mobile look, depending on your page. Some things don't always convert to the mobile as well. So this allows you to create a section that maybe is just for mobile and not on desktop, or vice versa. So you can come here, click it, and then you can select, but if you don't find what you're looking for, you can click this link right here, and you can type in, if you know your code, your hashtag code, you can type that in and change it. And then same with buttons, like you just click in, find the settings option, and it's going to allow you to check out all these different things. Now, they've already offered some background photos, some stock image photos, but maybe you don't like all of them, or maybe that color is not really what you want. I want to show you a tip that I love to use when I'm designing for my clients, and that is to use the website Pexel. And so I have that pulled up for you right here. And so I just went to pexels.com and typed in the word force, and you can see all of these beautiful stock images are available to me for free, and you can download them. There are some, like the sponsored, these are ones that you will pay for, and you can create a membership through Pexel if you know you're going to be using a lot of it. But there's a lot of content on here that you can actually get for free and download that looks very professional. And there's a bunch of different colors, so you can find something that's the look and feel of your website. And it really can just enhance your your website look and feel. So I love this photo. I think it's beautiful. And you can download it. I like to download a bunch of different options and then kind of play around what looks good. So, maybe I want an image here, or maybe I want to make something, like a background image. Like this is the background image here. I don't really like that image, so I want to bring on that one I just found. And so you can come here to your BG Media, click on that icon, and then hit upload file and upload that new file. And then once it's there, select it and let it double click it and it'll add it. So this person, they decided to have a shadow. So you can change the background color so it is actually, lighter, or there's no, it's not the dark. So I kind of changed the background image and I can make it full center. You can have it pecs. If you do like the parallax, that means it's going to move. So that's another feature that can just really enhance your website, is using that full center parallax. And then you can, go to advanced and see if there's anything you want to change over there, but no, there's not. So again, you can have like a different overlay. So maybe you want it to be a pink overlay. There's so many things that you can do to just enhance that. You can have shadows. So I encourage you to play around with it, but there's really a lot you can do to just make it pop, make it fresh, make it bright, make it look really professional. And utilizing pixels and some stock photos, if you don't maybe have your own professional photos yet, is a really great tip and trick for doing that. So if you would like help with this further, feel free to ask some questions in the comments. Again, if you're looking for an all-in-one platform to meet your business needs, I encourage you to check out Scalability. It is a really amazing platform that will give you everything that you need to scale and grow your business online. And then you also have access to me, and you will get a free 14-day trial. And when you click the link in the comments below, and you'll have access to me as well to help you as like your mentor, to get you through building your own website, your offer pages, all the things inside of Scalability. So with that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.